recording your screen on a Chromebook. Very simple. The function is already built into your Chromebook. The easiest way to get to it is to use the shortcut key combination of Control, Shift, and the window key, which is the very top row, the middle one. It looks like two windows next to each other. Hit those and you go into the recorder mode. From there, select whether you want this to be a screenshot or a video. In my case, I selected video, and I also selected full screen. Once you've made your selections, if it's full screen, you just simply click a left click anywhere on the screen itself and the recorder will start. Once you've finished making your recording, you'll notice that on the right side in the tray there's a little icon. That red icon looks like a recorder. When you click it, you will end the current recording. This shows up when you first start the recording by selecting the Control, Shift, and Window key. That's how simple it is to make a video within your Chromebook. Have fun. Enjoy that new Chromebook.